Did you know Minnesota could be seeing its first ever sales tax cut? Sounds great, right? But there's more to the story, and it could impact your business. Hi, I'm Jordan with CSI Accounting, and today I'm going to break down Governor Tim Walz's latest sales tax proposals and what they mean for small business owners like you. Here's the deal. Governor Walz is proposing to reduce Minnesota's sales tax rate from 6.875% to 6.8%. To put it in perspective, that's a 7.5-cent saving on every $100 purchase. Now you might be thinking, this change seems so small, does it really even matter? And that's a fair question. The answer is, it depends. For everyday purchases, you won't even notice it. But when you add it up across the state, this small change can mean millions of dollars in saved tax revenue for the consumers as a whole. Now here's the catch. To offset this, the state is looking to expand the sales tax base to include services that were previously tax-exempt, like legal services, accounting, and financial advice. So this means the cost of professional services you may rely on could increase. For small businesses, the real impact comes when you look at the sales tax rate cut alongside the new taxes on professional services. If your business depends on services like legal or accounting, the extra costs from these new taxes could quickly outweigh any savings from the lower sales tax rate. Even though the savings might not feel like much, the bigger issue is how these changes shift where the tax burden falls, and that's what really matters. For businesses that offer these services, you'll now need to collect and remit sales tax, adding another layer of compliance to your workload. And yes, as an accounting firm, CSI will be directly impacted by these changes. We will have to potentially start collecting sales tax. So for every $100 you spend, you'll be paying an extra $6.80 in tax. But here's an important silver lining to remember. The cost of professional services, including any sales tax you pay, is generally tax-deductible if it's for business purposes. So while you may pay more upfront, you can deduct these costs when it's time to file your taxes, reducing your taxable income. If you're curious how much monthly accounting services would cost for your business, you can get an instant free customized estimate by using the pricing calculator on our website. We'll drop a link in the description below. So let's recap how all of this could affect you, and more importantly, what you can do to prepare. If you rely on professional services like hiring an accountant, lawyer, or broker, expect your costs to increase. Start reviewing your budget now to account for these potential changes. If you offer professional services, you'll need to start collecting and remitting sales tax. Make sure your invoicing and accounting systems are updated to handle this added compliance. And if you're hoping a reduced sales tax rate will offset these costs, it likely won't be enough if you depend heavily on taxable services. But stay informed about these proposals because they're still under review. It's always better to plan ahead and minimize surprises. If you're unsure about how this will affect your business, any good accountant will be able to explain that to you. And if you don't have an accountant, reach out and have a conversation with us. At CSI Accounting, we've been helping Minnesota small businesses navigate tax changes for over 50 years. If you're unsure about how these proposals could impact your business, reach out to us. We're here to make sure you're prepared for whatever comes next. Learn more about CSI by visiting our website. Or schedule a consultation if you're ready to get started today. Try our pricing calculator for an instant free customized estimate. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more small business tips. See you in the next video.